What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here at the Tola Expo in Dallas, Texas. You guys know that we have been itching to give you the on-the-ground experience here at the conventions, but we haven't had it. And we've really been missing it. So I'm out here delivering everything new and exciting to you guys that AudioControl has to offer. And today we're going to be talking about the X7. This is a bad man. This is one sweet home theater amplifier. If you're looking at anything hi-fi, you got to consider this. It's definitely on the radar. And here at Dreamedia, we really believe in AudioControl. So if you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have a free consultation service and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. I'm going to be bringing Chris, and he is direct with AudioControl onto the video today. He's going to give you the rundown of what makes this X7 so special. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, we are out here at the Tola Expo and we're going to discuss the X7. Over to you, Chris.
Oh, cool. Thanks, Zach. Guys, I'm great here happy to show off the new Maestro X7. Actually, it's not new, but it's still new probably for many of you guys out there. This is part of AudioControl's X Series platform. 16 channels, so your traditional 7.1 can be now a 7.1.4, it could be a 9.1.6. 4 of the channels on here are completely mappable, so you can do multiple subwoofer outputs or additional heights for Atmos or any of the immersive audio formats that are out there. Now equipped with Hdmi inputs as well as Hdmi outputs, including a second zone, so you can do mirroring and focus it from there. We also have RCA preamplifier inputs, controllable via RS-232 or via IP control. This is a very feature-laden unit. And one of the big things obviously about AudioControl is sound quality. And when we assemble and test and burn these in our factory, our engineers pay a lot of attention in the sound quality. I think that's the performance aspect that people really love about AudioControl. One of the things that really helps drive is AudioControl is a room correction equalization company going back 40 years. Well, we haven't slowed down. We're actually one of the leading DIRAC live room calibration companies, and we utilize the DIRAC Live system, which is the first room measurement system that actually does level and then time and then frequency to give you the optimum amount of sound. When you got those speakers mounted all over the place in the house in a lot of different locations, you need DIRAC calibration to bring all that together. And AudioControl is very proud to be one of the leading implementers of the DIRAC Live calibration system in there. And of course, a certain partner that goes with the AudioControl X7s is our G4 series of amplifiers, introduced last year. These are all Class H topology. Which is basically a Class AB amplifier with a couple extra rails in the power supply, kind of like an extra couple of gears in your motor. So you can get a lot of high current output, you can play down to low impedances, but at the same time, the amplifier can operate very cool and optimize the amount of power. We've also got balanced and unbalanced inputs and all the cool things to make interconnection easy. There's a 4-channel, there's a 5-channel, there's a 7-channel. Great opportunity to match up with what you're doing in your theater and drive almost any speaker system that's out there. And like all of AudioControl products, 5-year parts and labor warranty. You know, all these come through assembly and testing in our factory in Seattle, Washington, which is 107 this week. I'm not sure why, but we always known us as the hot place, but we are the hot place this week. So this is Chris Kane coming to you live from Tola.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on the AudioControl X7. Big thanks to Chris for giving you guys a rundown here live at Tola Expo. Again, guys, AudioControl, you're going to see it in a lot of our videos. Our national sales director, Kellen, putting it in his theater. Chris, that weird dude, has been repping it and absolutely loves it. This is the product that we stand behind, guys, and it's American-made, solid product that you can have for many years to come. Now, if you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have a free consultation service. We will walk you through all the options that are available at prices that you need. Even if this isn't the product for you, believe me, here at Dreamedia, we have you covered. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.